Just go your new Verizon service, whether it's a fresh iPhone or a 5G home internet. Your service isn't truly yours until you set up your My Verizon account. This year, this is your command center for everything from paying bills to upgrading your hardware. So, in order to start, firstly, of course, grab your phone and download My Verizon app from the App Store or Google Play. Tap Register or Create a Profile. Enter your 10-digit Verizon mobile number or your account number from your confirmation email. And then Verizon will send a one-time authorization code to your device via text. If you're setting up a non-texting device like a 5G gateway, check your primary contact email for that code instead. Punch it in to prove it's you. And now let's build your credentials. So set up a unique user ID and a strong password, of course. Pick a secret question you'll actually remember. Don't overthink it. If you have both iOS and mobile, look for the One Verizon ID prompt. This year, this merges both accounts into a single login, so you aren't just juggling two sets of passwords. Hit agree to the terms, and you're officially in. And your account is now live and secured. If this registration guide helped you get settled, don't forget to smash like and subscribe.